Hey friends, it's Lindsay, and welcome back to Travel Through Lindsay's Lens. In my last video, I shared why I think cruising really is for everyone, no matter your budget, travel style, or experience level. Today, I want to build on that and help you figure out where to start if you're planning your first cruise. We'll talk about some of the best beginner-friendly cruise lines and destinations that make cruising fun, easy, and stress-free, even if you've never set sail before. Let's start with cruise lines. When you're new to cruising, you want a ship that's easy to navigate, a good value, and has something for everyone. One of my top recommendations for beginners is Royal Caribbean. I love how they balance adventure and relaxation so well. There's something for everyone: fun activities, quiet spaces, great food and entertainment, and their private island in the Bahamas, Perfect Day at Coco Cay, is always a hit. It's beautiful, easy, and hassle-free once you're there. I'm heading back on another Royal Caribbean cruise this January, and I can't wait to share more soon. If you're looking for something budget-friendly and full of energy, Carnival Cruise Line is another great choice. I've cruised with them too, and they really live up to their fun ship reputation. They're known for short, affordable sailings, usually 3 to 5 nights, that are perfect if you just want to try cruising without a big commitment. The atmosphere is upbeat and laid back, and it's a great way to see if cruising is for you. If your style is more laid back and romantic, you might love Princess or Celebrity cruises. They're calmer, more elegant, and perfect for couples, honeymoons, and anyone who wants to relax and enjoy the views. Now let's talk about destination. If it's your first cruise, I recommend starting close to home, especially if you live near a major port. Florida, Texas, and California all have great options that don't require long flights. Some of my favorite starter destinations are the Bahamas, short relaxing trips with beautiful beaches. The Western Caribbean, Cozumel, Grand Cayman, and Jamaica are classics for a reason. The Mexican Riviera, Cabo, and Puerto Vallarta are perfect for West Coast cruisers. They're all beginner-friendly, full of sunshine, and a great introduction to what cruising is all about: exploring, relaxing, and reconnecting with the people you love. Every time I travel, I'm reminded of how big and beautiful this world really is. Cruising gives you that mix of rest and adventure, and for me, it's one of the best ways to see and appreciate God's creation. I hope this helped you narrow down some options for your first cruise and maybe inspired you to start planning one. If it did, give this video a thumbs up and hit subscribe, because next time I'm sharing 3 tips you can't live without.